This is a how-to guide for the ratchet strap storm kit from Gala tent. When using a ratchet strap storm kit to anchor your marquee, you will need to fix the two ends of the ratchet strap together. Take the end of the longest piece and weave it through the ratchet mechanism on the shortest piece until you near the hook at the end of the section. This will give you plenty of room to move the ratchet mechanism to the desired point when anchoring. Weave the hook of the longest piece around the joint of your marquee leg. This is the strongest point of attachment on the frame. Then fix the hook around the cord of the strap. Attach the hook of the ratchet around your heavy-duty tent peg and pull the loose cord until there is tension between the two fixing points. Commence pulling the ratchet until the strap is firmly fixed. To avoid hazards, wrap and tie the loose strapping around itself. Once your event is done and you're dismantling the setup, simply push the button down. Keep your finger on the button, click back and break its bag. This mechanism releases the wheel and takes the brakes off. You can now release the ratchet strap. When fixing any storm kits or ratchet straps to your Gala tent marquee, it is vital to note that you should never fix the hook of the strap to the eyelets on the corner of your marquee canopy. These eyelets are not designed for withstanding the force of strong winds on a commercial quality marquee, and you will more than likely cause damage to your investment. These eyelets are designed to simply assist with guide rope fixing. Instead, you should wrap the strap of the ratchet to the framework inside the marquee before pegging or weighing the other end of your strap to the ground and fixing your marquee in place. When fixing any storm kits or ratchet straps to your Gala shade gazebo, it is vital to note that you should never fix the hook of the strap to the D-ring of the gazebo canopy. This loop is not designed for withstanding the force of strong winds on a commercial quality structure, and you will more than likely damage the canopy of your gazebo. This D-ring is intended to help you pull the canopy taut at each corner. Instead, you should wrap the strap around the corner of the robust framework, ensuring it is firmly in place before you tie the other end of the strap to the ground or to a weight.